Dear student, today we are discussing about complex forming tendency of group number 14 elements. The group number 14 ના જે elements છે એનું complex બનાવવાની tendency except carbon એટલે કાર્બન સિવાયના all these elements have complex forming tendency means coordinate covalent bond forms. Carbon is not forming one in the carbon after helium 2s2 2p2. In 2s there are 2 electrons, in 2p there are 2. One electron is excited and moves into pz. So 4 unpaired electrons. So it forms a 4 covalent bond. Here d orbital is not present. So it never gains electron pair from another species. The complex nahi बनावे, d orbital nathi. This is due to small size, high charge and availability of vacant orbital of appropriate energy. Rest of the elements silicon, germanium, tin and lead has a d orbital present, so easily gains electron pair. They form complexes by accepting electrons in the vacant d orbital from atom or ions and having lone pair of electrons. In silicon tetrafluoride, one silicon is combining with 4 fluorine. Silicon atomic number 14. So neon 10, 3s2, 3p3 and 3d is vacant. One electron moves here. So 3s1, 3p3 and d totally vacant. The 4 bond is covalent with fluorine. Fifth one is coordinate covalent. Sixth one also coordinate covalent. So fluoride ion donates electron pair to the silicon, and 2 fluoride combines like this coordinate covalent bond and it forms a complex. એટલે કાર્બન સિવાયના બધા જ કોઓર્ડિનેટ કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડ બનાવે કારણ કે એમાં ડી ઓર્બિટલ વેકેન્ટ છે, ઇઝીલી ગેઇન કરશે. એલોટ્રોપી એલોટ્રોપી means like carbon. Carbon we get in 3 form: graphite, diamond, fullerene. This is called allotropes. All elements except lead. Lead is not giving any allotropes, but rest of all the elements except lead, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin has allotropes. Now chain forming tendency, which is called catenation, self linkage. પોતપોતાના એટમ્સ એકબીજા સાથે કમ્બાઈન થઈ લોંગ ચેઇન બનાવે એને કેટેનેશન કહેવાય અથવા સેલ્ફ લિંકેજ કહેવાય. લિંકેજ. All elements of this group have catenation tendency. All elements of this group, like carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Reason for that, all has 4 electrons in outermost orbit, but this property highest in carbon. So maximum number of compound of the carbon are available. Tendency to catenation from carbon to lead decreases. પછી સેલ્ફ લિંકેજનું બિહેવિયર કાર્બન ટુ લેડ ડિક્રીઝ થતું જાય છે. The degrees of this property is associated with the MM bond. energy which decreases from carbon to lead. Here carbon is combining with carbon. So bond energy dissociation between carbon 83 kilocalorie per mole. In case of silicon, it means that this is highest. For breaking, highest energy is needed. In silicon 54, in germanium only 40, in tin it is 37 kilocalorie per mole. Understood? This is tendency. So tendency highest to carbon. Greater tendency of carbon for catenation due to nearly same value of carbon bond energy as the energy of bond between carbon and other elements near about. કાર્બન ની બોન્ડ એનર્જી જેટલી છે એટલી જ between carbon oxygen bond energy. Similar with carbon chlorine near about 83, 86, 81. So it makes many compounds. On the other hand, હવે બોન્ડ એનર્જી આવી છે એનો મિનિંગ એ થાય કે કાર્બનને કાર્બન સાથે, કાર્બનને ઓક્સિજન સાથે, કાર્બનને ક્લોરીન સાથે ગ્રેટ એટ્રેક્શન છે, એટલે વધારે સહેલાઈથી compound form કરશે. Many compound occurs. On the other hand, silicon bond is weaker than the bond between silicon and other elements. એટલે અહીંયા કાર્બન વચ્ચે જે એટ્રેક્શન છે એટલું જ કાર્બન ઓક્સિજન કાર્બન ક્લોરીન વચ્ચે, એટલે કાર્બન જોડાય લોંગ ચેન બનાવે. ભાઈ સિલિકોનને એટ્રેક્શન કરતા સિલિકોનને ઓક્સિજન પ્રત્યે હાઈ છે, ઓનલી 54 છે, એટ્રેક્શન લો. એટલે સિલિકોનને સિલિકોન સાથેના એટ્રેક્શન કરતા સિલિકોનને ઓક્સિજનને કાર્બન ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન હાઈ છે. So silicon not combines with silicon, so behavior of catenation is less in silicon. It combines with other elements than silicon. Meaning of that the silicon ma catenation behavior less છે. The catenation property is responsible for a very large number of compound of carbon. આ catenation ની property ના કારણે જ number of organic compounds, large number of organic compounds occurs. એટલે કાર્બન વચ્ચે જે catenation ની property છે એના કારણે જ number of compounds are high. Now reactivity, action of air. These elements means group number 14. Elements of group number 14, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead, react with oxygen of the air. On strong heating, they form their oxide, not at room temperature, but on strong heating. Carbon, when we kept open in air, so it not combining with oxygen, but when we apply heat, so combines with oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Lead with oxygen gives lead oxide, monoxide. The acidic nature of this oxide decreases with increasing of atomic number. Acidic nature of this oxide decreases with increasing of atomic number. Acidic nature of this oxide, yes, carbon is totally non-metal, so oxide of the non-metal should be acidic. Silicon dioxide, these are MCQ. CO2 and SiO2 both are acidic in nature. while germanium dioxide, tin and lead dioxide are amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means a dual nature. It behaves like acid and base both. All this dissolves in alkalis, giving carbonate, silicate, germanates, germanium, stannates, and plumbates respectively. Silicon gives silicates, germanates, stannates, tin, and plumbate lead. Alkali में dissolve था. Which type of oxide? MO2 type of oxide, and gives Na2, MO3 type of carbonate. I am giving example. SiO2 is taken. 2 mole of NaOH gives Na2 SiO3 sodium silicate and gives water. If we are taking GeO2, so Na2GeO3 occurs. We are taking SnO2, Na2SnO3, stannate, then PbO2 is taken. So Na2 PbO3 occurs, plumbates occurs. Now basic character of both mono and dioxide increase down the group. Yes, monoxide and dioxide both, SiO SiO2, GeO GeO2, SnO SnO2, PbO PbO2. These are monoxide, these are dioxide. Basic character of both monoxide and dioxide increase down the group. Yes, generally oxide of the metal are basic by nature, so basicity increases from top to bottom. So more basic is the oxide of the lead. Why? Which is metal by nature. Halides. It means a compound with halogen of group number 14. And compound with halogen is called halides. Halogen સાથેના compound. The member of this group form tetrahedral type of halides, MX4, except Pb. Br4 is not possible. PbI4 is not possible. Why? From top to bottom, +2 oxidation state is dominant, then +4. So lead gives PbBr and PbI2. Not why? In oxidation number +4, but oxidation state of lead is +2 more stable. So lead is not giving +4 having oxidation number halides. Carbon gives CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Silicon gives tetrahalide. Germanium also gives tetrahalide. But from top to bottom, this behavior decreases. So tetrahalide not occurs of the lead because of +2 oxidation state of lead is more stable than +4. These halides are covalent and formed by sp3 hybridization. Yes, in the carbon there are 4 electrons. All the 4 are bonded with chlorine. Here bonding pair are 4. So, and lone pair 0. So here hybridization sp3 and this tetrahalide in shape is tetrahedral. The thermal stability of tetrahalides of the same element with increasing in molecular mass of the tetrahalide. Thermal stability of tetrahalides of the same element decrease with the increase in molecular mass of the tetrahalide. એટલે કાર્બન ચેન્જ હેલોજન છે એનો એટોમિક માસ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય. કાર્બન ટેટ્રાફ્લોરાઇડ, કાર્બન ટેટ્રાક્લોરાઇડ, કાર્બન ટેટ્રાબ્રોમાઇડ, કાર્બન ટેટ્રાઆયોડાઇડ. Here molecular mass increases, stability decreases. Reason for that fluorine is small in size. It has a great attraction toward carbon, but chlorine is big than fluorine. So here bond length increases, stability decreases. So bond between carbon fluorine strong. Now in carbon chlorine, now in carbon bromine and carbon iodine, which is weaker due to big size of the iodine. So bond is weaker, and due to that stability decreases. The thermal stability of tetrahalide of this element with common halogen. અહીંયા એલિમેન્ટ કોમન હતું, હેલોજન ડિફરન્ટ હતા. હવે હેલોજન કોમન હોય. The thermal stability of tetrahalide of element with a common halogen decrease with increase in atomic number. Atomic number છે હેલોજન સેમ લીધો, સેમ. Atomic number of carbon કરતા સિલિકોન, જર્મેનિયમ, ટીન એન્ડ લેડ. અહીંયા કાર્બન, સિલિકોન, જર્મેનિયમ, ટીન અને લેડની સાઇઝ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે. Due to that bond between carbon halogen is strong. Silicon, germanium, tin and lead size ma big છે. Attraction toward halogen decreases. Stability decreases like this. Except carbon halide, other halides are readily hydrolyzed by water. એટલે કાર્બનના હેલાઇડ સિવાયના બધા જ હેલાઇડ ઇઝીલી હાઇડ્રોલાઇઝ એટલે વોટર સાથે રિએક્શન આપે છે. It react with water. The hydrolysis is due to utilization of d orbitals to which water molecules can get attached. Reason for that in carbon only 2s and 2p orbital are present. D is absent and rest of the element silicon, neon 10, 3s2, 3p3, 3p2, 3s2 and 2. 1 is moves here. 3d is vacant now. So empty orbital easily gains electron pair from the water. So when silicon tetrachloride comes contact with water, so empty orbital of silicon here oxygen donates electron pair to the silicon. Now H with Cl and H with Cl removes. So what happens, you can see આની બે વેકેન્ટ ઓર્બિટલ હોય ને એમાં વોટરના બે મોલેક્યુલ્સ છે, એમાં ઓક્સિજન છે લોન પેડ ડોનેટ કરશે. Then after HCl and HCl removes and OH combines there. You can see. So removal of 2 HCl here. Gives 2 OH combines there, a chlorine જાય with HCl, 2 OH combines once again 2 H2 enters. Now 2 vacant orbital D. 1 H2 here, 1 H2 here. Once again H with Cl, H with Cl. So removes 2 HCl and gives SiOH4. This is the hydrolysis. The tetrahalide of silicon, germanium, tin and lead can form hexahalocomplexes. Carbon is not forming this type of complexes. એટલે કાર્બન છે એમાં ડી ઓર્બિટલ છે જ નહીં, વેકેન્ટ કે ફિલ્ડ બેમાંથી એકે એટલે કોઓર્ડિનેટ કોવેલેન્ટ ફોર્મ નહીં કરે. But silicon, germanium, tin and lead has a d vacant orbital, so it forms a hexahalide. In silicon, 4-fluorine is attached. Now remaining d orbitals gains electron pair from the fluoride ion. So due to vacant d orbital in outermost region, outermost orbit, it forms this type of complexes. SiF6 gives -2, GeF6 -2, GeCl6 -2, SnCl6 -2, lead PbCl6 with the corresponding halide. So it easily, in reason some carbon માં d orbital નથી, બાકીના બધામાં d છે vacant, lone pair gains from the chloride halide ion and it forms complexes. Thus tetrahalide of silicon, germanium, tin and lead act as strong Lewis acid due to presence of empty d orbitals. Yes, we discussed d orbital is vacant, so easily gains electron pair from the halide ion. So whenever species atom ion gains electron pair, so it should be Lewis acid. So silicon, germanium, tin and lead act as a Lewis acid due to presence of empty d orbitals. Now chemistry of carbon. Allotropic form of carbon. So natural allotropes of carbon are main two: diamond and graphite. Then man-made is fullerenes. Here we will discuss about natural allotropes, not artificial, man-made. Natural allotropes of the carbon are two, main two: diamond and graphite. Diamond is 3-dimension polymeric structure. In the diamond, one carbon is attached with another 3 carbon and it makes a network type of structure. This part tetrahedral repeats again and again. So polymeric structure. In diamond, each carbon is sp3 hybridized. Yes, all the carbon forms 4 sigma bond, lone pair 0, bonding pair 4, lone pair 0, 4 plus 0 4, so sp3 hybridization, and is linked to 4 other neighbor carbon. Every carbon is combining with another 4 of neighbor carbons held at the corners of a regular tetrahedron by covalent bond. So every carbon forms 4 covalent bond and all the carbon are on the corner of the tetrahedral. In this structure, distance between carbon is 1.54 angstrom. With a bond angle 109.5 degree, means 109 degree 28 minutes. Otherwise 109.5 degree, both are same. 1 degree equal to 30 minutes. So 28 will leave at 30. 1 degree means 60 minutes. So 0.5 degree is equal to 30 minutes. So 0.5 means 30. 28, both are same. Due to this strong covalent bond, diamond is the hardest substance. Yes, diamond is very hard. Strong covalent bonds are there, and all the 4 electrons of outermost orbit of carbon is bonded with another 4 carbon atoms tightly. Diamond is the hardest substance having abnormally high melting point. Melting point of the carbon is 360 degrees Celsius. It means the diamond melts at 3600 degrees Celsius and extremely inert chemically. એટલે chemical reaction नहीं આપે with another compound. Why? Highly stable છે, inert છે, અને કાર્બન કાર્બન સાથેનો બોન્ડ એકદમ સ્ટ્રોંગ છે. So in acid, in base with another compound, diamond is not gives reaction. It is very high refractive index. Right waves are slowed down by the tightly bonded electron. In the diamond, when we pass the light, refraction ratio, reflection of light highly થાય, slower down by the tightly bonded electron. જે લાઇટના રેસ એમાંથી પાસ થાય તેને સ્લો પણ કરી નાખશે. Due to unavailability of mobile electrons, it is non-conductor of electricity. કાર્બનના all the 4 electrons covalent bondમાં use થઈ જાય. એક પણ free electrons નથી. So which is non-conductor of electricity. The electricity conduct नहीं करे, which is non-conductor of electricity. Now graphite. Unlike diamond, it has a 2-dimension. Yes, actually diamond is a 3-dimension structure. Unlike diamond, it has a 2-dimension laminar structure. Yes, the adjacent layers of sheet are held together by weak van der Waals forces. You can see in this diagram, every carbon is combining with 3 carbon in same plane. An adjacent 6 carbon makes a ring, hexagonal ring. 4th electron remaining is a free. And this type of 2 layers are easily movable on each other. This is a 1 hexagon of same plane. This one is 2nd hexagon of 2nd layer. So layer type and 2 layer distance between 2 layers, and 2 layers are attracted, joined by weak van der Waals attraction. Here is covalent bond, but here is van der Waals attraction. In the same layer, distance between 2 carbon is 1.42 angstrom. Here each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Yes, only 3 electron is taking part in formation bond. 1 electron is remaining. તો 1 electron એટલે પેર ના કહેવાય. એટલે bonding pair 3, lone pair 0, x ની value 3, sp2 hybridization in graphite. In thus attack to 3 other carbon atom by 3 sigma bond, forming a hexagonal planar structure. The 4th electron present is an unhybridized p orbital of each carbon atom. hexagonal unit and overlap with each other to form a pi bond. So in the graphite, every electron combines with each other and forms pi bond which are very weak. The carbon-carbon bond length in graphite is shorter than that of diamond. Carbon-carbon વચ્ચેનું distance in the graphite is very short, 1.42 angstrom. In diamond, it is 1.54 angstrom. Since pi electrons are free, move throughout the entire layers. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. There is a free electron, so due to that good conductor of electricity, its conductivity increases with temperature. When temperature increases, so conductivity increases also. Now you can see it is soft, greasy, dark greyish color, crystalline. એનો ગ્રે કલર હોય છે, greasy છે, ઘર્ષણ ઓછું કરે, crystalline solid, having density 2.5 gram per milliliter. Since it leaves a black mark on paper, is called black lead or plumbago. પેન્સિલથી આપણે કાગળ ઉપર લખીએ છીએ એટલે લેયર્સ છે કાગળ ઉપર છોડતો જાય છે. Black lead or plumbago. It is thermodynamically more stable than diamond. Diamond કરતા graphite more stable છે. Free energy of formation is 1.9 kilojoule less than diamond. એટલે એની free energy diamond કરતા 1.9 kilojoule less છે. આની energy 1.9 kilojoule more છે. આની less છે એટલે more stable. Energy less એટલે more stable. હવે આપણે graphite ને 100 degree Celsius ઉપર 50,000 to 60,000 atmosphere pressure આપીએ so we can convert into diamond. Understood? Out of 2 allotropes, graphite is more stable than diamond. Now we will discuss about it more in our next lecture. Till then, bye.